Hey y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl tideBEE. Welcome back to another video. You know what I'm saying to that. So I know I'm back again so soon, you know what I'm saying? But like, y'all know what's going on. Corona, coronavirus. Please leave us. Holy Lord. Sorry, I get a little emotional because me as the extrovert that I am, me being the social butterfly I am, being stuck and captive in the four corners of my home is gotta like, it's just not for me. It's not it. It's not cute. It's upsetting me and my homegirls. Like, I can't go outside. Where can I go? We've resorted to Instagram and social media as our outlets, and YouTube as my outlet, which is why I'm here. But yeah, I'm back. One of my hobbies, favorite things to do is cooking. And if you follow me on Insta, you should if you don't already. I have a little highlight called tideBEEeats. And tideBEEeats is just basically whenever I go out to eat when I used to. You know, I even have to say when I used to because we can't even go outside again. Mind you. When I used to go out to eat, because I'm a foodie, I love food. It's my favorite. It's like my love language is food for real. When I go out to eat, I'll just kind of like post my little boomerangs and videos and tag the places I go to eat because I love food and I should share my love with other people, you know. And I do cook, so sometimes I'll be cooking up dishes, whipping it up in the kitchen, you know. tideBEEeats, I got tagged my stuff. People really like what they see. Some people have tasted my food. They've been graced with the opportunity to taste my food. 10 out of 10, highly recommend every single time. Yeah, I'm chatting. Nevertheless, I like to cook, so I was like, why not just bring it to my channel? So here we are. Today we're going to be making chicken to go along with our lovely jollof rice. If you don't know what jollof rice is, go ask your African friend. Go ask your African neighbor. Go phone a friend. Nigel jollof, Ghana jollof. I'm not having that debate. Both are torched. That's all I'll say. If we made some jollof rice, I'm just like, what am I gonna eat with this jollof rice? Can't just have rice on its own. So I decided to make chicken because that's what we have in the house. But without further ado, just enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, follow me on the socials you dig. Tell me what you want to see, and I'll get to you. So yeah. Enjoy my little voiceovers and video vlog cooking how-to tutorial. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make baked chicken 3 ways. We have a spicy baked looking succulent on the left. In the middle we have honey old bay looking hot. Look at you, beautiful. And then we have sweet barbecue. So yes, just enjoy the rest of the video. So basically I'm just gonna give you a rundown. I know the chicken is looking a little white, but nevertheless, the chicken on the right hand side is gonna be my honey old bay chicken. I separated from the other chickens because that's just like my chicken, you dig, and the other one is like for my family to eat. They can munch on that, have a party with it, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I've already rinsed out the chickens with lemon juice and water, rinsed it out well, cleaned it well, and next I'm going to add my seasonings. So with seasonings, I list them above, but you can definitely put the seasonings you find best fit with your chicken for this recipe. Those are seasonings I used. I threw some seafood seasoning in there because I saw it and I was just like, I don't want to put too much because chicken is chicken, not seafood, you dig, but that's the gist. And yeah, you're just going to make sure you go on in, have a ball, have a party with your chicken, season it really through. And yeah, voiceovers are mad weird because I'm literally just recording my voice, watching me do this. But nevertheless, you get my gist, sure. You get my gist. So yeah. I just finished seasoning my chicken. I'm tired of showing you guys raw meat, so scratch that. Just finished seasoning my chicken. I will bake it, boil it, create it properly tomorrow. It's gonna marinate, sit very heavily seasoned, which is a tip. I'll share some more tips and gems of cooking with you soon, but yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. I'm excited for the finished results. It's gonna go great with my jollof rice. Let me know down below what other things you want to see. I think I might be making mac and cheese next, or salmon, or pasta, some kind of dish. Probably try to sneak some more shopping in, some track and field shopping before they shut us down. But yeah, I look a little rough. It's been a bonnet and scarf kind of time, but my birthday is loading, so we gonna switch that up for y'all real quick. Okay, but yes, stay tuned until tomorrow. So hey y'all, it's actually Monday. This chicken has been marinating and sitting for 48 hours. I planned to cook it on Sunday because I seasoned it and put it in the fridge on Saturday. And I was like, okay, Sunday I'm gonna cook it. And then I had to go get my stuff from Towson because we got kicked out because of the coronavirus. It was like, go home, online learning, virtual learning, whatever. So that's what we're doing until May. But we're here, we're gonna cook. Today is the day we're going to cook. So I just got my chicken out of the fridge and I'm about to go back upstairs and make it happen. So yeah. So this next step is something my sister actually taught me, letting the chicken like steam and soak up the seasonings under heat before you add the water. Try it. See, let me know how it goes. But yeah, that's what I did for both of the chickens. I just gradually added water as I go. As it began to boil, I'd add more water until it was like fully cooked. So our chicken is done. It's about to go into the oven, but first, before it goes into the oven, it's gonna get half of this chicken will just go straight into the oven, and then the other half of it will be marinated and smothered with some honey barbecue, and then this one will be honey Old Bay. So get ready to figure out how to make these glazes and mixes that I'm about to do for y'all. So for our honey Old Bay chicken, we're going to use Old Bay seasoning, of course. We also have Cajun seasoning, and add a little bit of that. And then for the glaze portion of it, definitely honey will be involved. This is a good old go-to. And then we have a little secret ingredient here that I just kind of discovered recently. Just adding a little pinch of syrup. Surprisingly enough, a little goes a long way. It's a very weird ingredient to add, but I mean, it's kind of like honey, so I just tried it out and it worked for me. And then we also have ground cinnamon, just a pinch of that, and then we also have a pinch of nutmeg as well for that sweet flavor. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to mix all of that up for our glaze. Wow, I'm rapping longer than I thought. It's cool. And of course, for our honey barbecue sauce, we're gonna use honey barbecue sauce, like BBQ sauce. But Sweet Baby Ray's is the cream of the crop when it comes to barbecue sauces. Don't at me. I know what I'm talking about. You know, it's tideBEEeats. I'm saying, simple as that. But yeah, we're basically gonna use the same ingredients that we used for our honey Old Bay and just add the barbecue sauce instead for our honey barbecue. I'm also gonna add a little bit of garlic to the chicken, just for a little bit of more seasoning, more sauce, more flair, you know what I'm saying? Just some more pizzazz to the chicken to give it some vim, you know? We want it to still be honey Old Bay, not honey Old Bay garlic. But honey Old Bay garlic doesn't sound so bad. But here you can just baste the chicken with a fork or a basting brush, and yeah. So here we're gonna go ahead and before we add our chicken, we're gonna spray our aluminum foil so nothing sticks to it. We're gonna go ahead and lay down our honey Old Bay drumsticks. I did those separately in a different oven just because it was a smaller quantity. So, I mean, I could have put them in the big oven, but I put them in the small oven. So I'm just gonna lay them out like so, you know, nice and neat. And then we're going to baste our chicken with our honey Old Bay glaze that we made. You can either use a basting brush. Basting brush, or rub it with your hands. I find either one effective. Definitely to just get full coverage of it. And one thing about honey is that honey can like burn quick, so your best bet is to periodically add more glaze, or just check on it every now and again, just so that like your chicken isn't burning, you dig? So it's definitely something to check up on, especially if you're using like a lot of honey for your honey Old Bay. I usually add a coat on top and sprinkle some Old Bay on top before I finally put it in the oven for it to get ready to go. Now for our honey barbecue sauce, same ingredients. I just add a little bit more paprika to it, and a little bit more cinnamon as well, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the barbecue sauce and whisk that up for you guys. So basically the same rules apply for the honey barbecue chicken as for the honey Old Bay chicken. Just baste as you go, baste periodically. Make sure everything is covered so you get a good, nice finish at the end. As you can see at the bottom rack, that is the just spicy baked chicken. I just put that straight in the oven. No need to baste it with anything. That's how my mom likes it, so that's how I did it for. And there you have it, guys. We have our chicken 3 ways: spicy baked, honey Old Bay, and sweet honey barbecue. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know if you want to see more tideBEEeats. I do have a highlight on my Instagram page called tideBEEeats if you want to check out some other things I've made, or if you see something you see that you like. I made that jollof rice on the left, by the way. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.